Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Bill4Time expense tracking. Bill4Time is a time and expense tracking software designed for professionals to manage their time and expenses effectively. To get started with Bill4Time expense tracking, first log into your Bill4Time account and navigate to the Expenses tab. From here you can add new expenses by clicking the Add Expense button. Enter the date, description, category, and amount of the expense. You can also add a receipt to the expense by clicking the Attach Receipt button. Next, assign the expense to a project or client by selecting from the drop-down menu. This will help you track expenses by project or client and generate reports. You can also add notes to the expense for future reference. Bill4Time also allows you to track recurring expenses such as monthly subscriptions or rent. To add a recurring expense, click the Recurring Expense button and enter the details of the expense. You can set the frequency of the expense and the start and end dates. To manage your expenses, use the Expenses dashboard to view a summary of your expenses by project, client, or category. You can also generate reports to see a detailed breakdown of your expenses. Bill4Time also allows you to export your expenses to accounting software such as QuickBooks. Best practices for using Bill4Time expense tracking include regularly reviewing and approving expenses, setting up expense categories in projects, and attaching receipts to expenses. It is also a good idea to set up recurring expenses to ensure accuracy and efficiency. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Bill4Time expense tracking to manage your expenses and improve your financial management. This will help you to make informed decisions and increase your profitability.